The switch knob works with the switch lever to turn your tool on and off. The knob is attached to the lever and is the part you press against when you turn the tool on or off. Over time, the switch knob can wear. This can make it so you can't turn the tool on or so it won't stay locked on. Replacing the switch knob is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the rear housing from the grinder. Now I can remove the switch knob. To do that, I'll push the switch lever forward while holding the knob in place so it can't move forward. After you hear it click, you can remove the knob. Now we can install the new switch knob. Again, I'll push the switch lever forward, align the knob with the switch lever, and then release the lever so it'll snap into place on the knob. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the motor housing. And that's how easy it is to install a new switch knob on your grinder. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.